good morning everyone. So here on my screen you can see two little Marios, the green Mario and the red Mario. So this is my Chrome, thanks to Param, my tech master, who is giving me new theme every day. So today I am going to make you meet my two teachers. So one is on the screen, you can see a green icon, which is a Duolingo app. Duolingo is an app which can make you learn 30 different languages. So if you see, there are 30 different languages you can learn, and all the courses you can add here, and you can start working from your home, and it is free of cost. And another teacher is tech master Param Manglani, who is teaching me French from last now 20 days. So I'm going to complete my 1 month on 15th of May. So good morning, Param, how are you?
I'm fine. Good morning, everyone.
So can you tell us some basic about Duolingo app, so that my audience comes to know how can they get benefit from this app?
Okay, so currently we are learning French. So if you want to learn another language, so you click here on the top left, and then you add a course. Like if you want to learn Spanish, you click Spanish, so it will load. And by the way, this is a owl who is teaching us the languages. So we are new to Spanish, we haven't done it before, so we click that.
Okay, and I am a real person who has been using it since long. So instead of giving you Spanish, I would like you to go with me and do my class. This is French class. So I will take you to the application. Here the first screen is about the basics, then you have greetings, then you have basics 2, and you can see little stars on the top. So I have right now 4 stars with me. So these 4 stars are going to make me do my exercise today. And then there is a book on the left, top left bottom. These are my story books. So I will show you a story at the end of this class, and then here I'll take you that I am in the gold league now. So I will complete one lesson in front of you, and then we will join the gold league. We have finished the silver league, we have finished the bronze league. Today we have entered the gold league, and it was a good day for us. Both of us decided that we will shoot this video as we have come in the gold league, as we were working from last 25 days, right? So yes, Param, can we show them a basic lesson how it works?
Let's do greetings because our basic one is already fully gold, so we can't do it again. It's completely done.
Okay, so let's do greetings, and then we'll take them to one exercise of basics 2 as well.
Yeah, because if we do basic 1 again, we get only 5 experience.
Okay, so let's start. This is level 3 out of 5 levels.
So let's start plus 10 experience. So
I have my online teacher Duolingo, and I have my offline teacher. So I'll click this. This is an ad going on. You can see this is a Duolingo Plus it is talking about, and they are asking you to charge, but I am not saying you charge right now. I am just inviting you to use the app first and then decide for yourself. I'm also using the free app right now, and once I will complete my 1 month, then I will take a call whether I want to purchase it or what I want to do with it. But yes, right now I'm using it free. So I just saw it, and you see I have 5 words. Now we will hear something, and then we have to choose the right
word or letter.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh.
We are not able.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one was correct. Now we have to translate the sentence and put it together. So it means, yes, I am doing well.
So yes in French is oui.
Oui.
Oui. Ça va bien. So ça va is I'm doing well. Bien is doing well.
Ça.
And
Sa.
It says sa.
Okay, so they say, how are you doing, Mary? So,
Ça. Comment?
como sava,
Va.
Mary?
Marie.
So this way we will do it. So this way we are
Oui,
moving
ça va bien.
forward. Again, ui sava bia. Ui sava bia.
This means yes, I am doing well.
Bonjour. That means hello in English.
Or good morning. In French, not in English.
Yeah. Good morning. How are you doing? Complete the translation. Bonjour. Como ça va?
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Comment ça
como
va?
ça va? Good morning. How are you? And put a question. Okay, so once we will complete, yes, Mari. Ui, Mari. Yes means ui.
Oui, ça va. Oui, ça va. Oui, ça va bien.
So we have done, completed, we got 15 marks, and we will continue and we will continue and we will show you our test results. So if we'll go there, you see Deepika is on 18th level. So we have entered the gold league, we are on 18th level. Now I would like you to listen to a story. So I'll take you to a story card session. So
Le touriste.
I think Param, people have understood how they are going to do it and they can do themselves, right? Can you show them how can they download the app?
Okay, so if you're on iOS or using an iPhone, you have to go to the App Store and then just search Duolingo.
Duolingo free.
Yeah, and this is the one we have already installed it, so we don't have to install it again. If you haven't installed it, you have to click this
Open.
open button. It will be install.
For you it will be get, right?
Yes.
Okay. And Param, can you just guide me that what can we learn Hindi English also in this?
We can't learn Hindi, but we can learn English for Hindi speakers.
Okay, so these are different
No,
languages.
we can learn Hindi.
So you can learn Hindi, Greek, Vietnamese, Romanian, Indonesian, Latin, and you have some more. So you can learn Arabic also, Chinese also. So there are so many other options you can learn. And so it is an amazing application. I am using it. Thank you, Param, for making me use it. And thank you very much for sharing your knowledge with us.
Thank you.